Hello parents! Hope you guys had a safe and fun weekend. Today is the beginning of a new week and a new chapter of revision for our little ones. This week we're going to revise with our little ones all the teachings that we've done with them about the parts of a plant. In today's activity, we're going to do an assembling activity which will help our little ones assemble the different parts of a plant together and revise and identify the 4 different parts that we've taught them. So let's get started with the activity and see how it's done. Sadik, what are we going to learn today? Today we are going to revise about the parts of the
Plant.
Very good. So Mama is going to open envelope number 9 and see what's inside the envelope. These are the different parts of the plant. Can you tell me what is this? What is this? This is a...
Root.
No, what is this? This is a...
Stem.
No, this is a flower.
Flower.
Then this is the stem. Then these are the...
This is a straw.
Yes, we'll turn the straw into a stem today. Okay. Now what is this? This is a stem. And then these are roots. And these are the leaves. These are the leaves. Yes. So the roots will go at the base of the stem, right? We'll wrap it around the stem. Yes. So we'll use what? We'll use this sellotape. We'll use this.
Sellotape.
Yes. You're going to use the scissor and cut it on your own today. Okay. Very good. This is dirty part of the sellotape. So I'm going to put it in the corner. All right. Now, I'm going to open it. Will you cut it?
Yes.
Use it correctly. Come on, hold the scissor correctly. Yes.
Help me.
I'm helping you. This hand should go inside. Yes, this thumb. Now open it. All right. See, put your hands here. Put this here and then you use your thumb and open it like this. Yes. Now, open it again. Cut it. Okay. Maybe I'll help you a little, alright?
Yes.
Yes, we'll cut it like this. Very good. Now, will you stick it on this?
Yes.
Come on, I'll help you turn it around. Come on. I'm putting it here. Now wrap it with your hands, okay? Yes.
It is a tower.
Yes. These are the roots. These are the...
Root.
And this is the...
Stem.
Yes. Now do you want to stick the leaves?
Yes.
Where will you stick the leaves? Where do you want to stick them on the stem?
The stem.
You decide the place that you want to stick the leaves on, okay?
The stem.
Yes.
Stick them on the stem.
Stick them on the stem. Alright. Now, I'm again going to help you. Hold the scissor. Come on.
Cut it.
Cut it. Yes. Open it. And cut it. You have to press it a lot, okay? Yes. See? Now, I'll put it here. Yes. Put it on this. Take the sellotape in your hand. Now you have to learn to use it. And stick it here. Come on, I'm holding it. You stick it. Turn it around. Turn it around and stick it. Yes. This is the... What is this? This is a leaf. This is a... Fine. Now one leaf you'll stick here or you'll stick here or you'll stick next to it.
Next to it.
Okay, next to it. Again, I'm going to open it. Again, see, you'll open the scissor. Alright? Yes. Then open it correctly. Take it inside. To the... You open it like this. And then you cut it. Alright? And then use your 2 hands. 2 hands. Always use 2 hands. I don't like it when you use 1 hand. Use 2 hands. Yes.
Where is she gone?
Where is she gone? I don't know where she is. Yes, come on. I'll hold it here and you stick it. Very good. Yes, you've stuck 2 leaves now. Yes, and now we will stick the...
Flower.
Very good. How will you stick it? You want to stick the flower here? Alright. So again, let's take the scissor. Let me cut it for
I will
you.
not help you.
Okay, you don't help me. No problems. Alright?
Just stick it in.
Okay. What is mom now going to do? Mama is going to roll it like this and turn it around. Yes. And then you take it and put it behind the flower. And now that we've stuck it behind the flower, you'll stick the flower onto the stem. Come on. Take it from my hand and stick it onto the...
Gem.
Very good. So we've revised again. Yeah, right? What are these? These are the different parts of the...
Gem.
No, parts of the plant. Right. What are these? These are the...
Roots. Gem. Flower. Leaves.
Leaves and flowers. Flowers and leaves. Yes. Come on, again. Tell me. Last time.
Leaves. Flower. And flower.
Correctly.
Leaves.
What are these? These are...
Flowers.
These are roots. What are these? These are... Roots. Then, which is the
This
stem?
flower. This one.
No. Stem.
One. This.
Yes. Then leaves
Yeah.
and flower.
Yeah.
Very good. So parents, as you guys can see, in today's activity we are going to revise with our little ones the different parts of the plants that we've taught them. We're going to use the contents of envelope number 9. Alright, and what this activity is an assembling activity. So you'll help your little ones assemble the parts of the plant in the correct manner and teach them that these are the roots, this is the stem, these are the leaves, and this is a flower. This is a crafting activity. You can use sellotape. I think sellotape will be a better option. If it's convenient for you, you can use Fevistick or Fevicol as well. Alright parents, and use this as a learning aid to revise with them on a daily basis the 4 parts of the plants. That's all for today parents. See you next time. Bye-bye.